Can you really master AI in just 8 minutes a day? The idea might sound too good to be true, but in 2026, the world of artificial intelligence has changed. New tools are more user-friendly than ever before. You no longer need a degree in computer science to make AI work for you. This video is your friendly guide. It offers a clear and simple roadmap to gaining valuable AI skills. We will not overwhelm you with complex theories. Instead, we will focus on practical steps and short, daily practices. You can start these drills today, right after you finish reading. This is your chance to turn a few minutes each day into a powerful new skill set. The path to AI competence is a simple, repeating cycle. It has 3 core parts: learn, practice, repeat. You will learn the basics, practice short drills, and repeat to build momentum. Before you can use any tool effectively, you must understand what it is designed to do. The same is true for artificial intelligence. Your first skill group is building foundational knowledge. This does not mean you need to learn complex mathematics or programming. Instead, you need to grasp the core concepts that guide AI. Start by learning what an AI model is. Think of it as a very advanced pattern-finding machine. Learn what it means to train a model, showing it millions of examples so it can learn. It is crucial to understand the limitations of AI. Knowing what AI cannot do is as important as knowing what it can. Read one short article. Watch one short educational video. Focus on the big ideas. Learn about different types of AI. Language models that work with text. Diffusion models that create images. Understand key terms like bias. Bias means the tool might produce unfair or skewed results based on its training data. Learn about AI safety, making sure these powerful tools are used responsibly. Your goal is not to become an expert overnight. Build a mental map of the AI landscape. With a solid foundation, you are ready to start practicing with real AI tools. This is the second crucial skill group: tool practice and prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is simply the art of giving clear instructions to an AI. A better prompt leads to a better response. Start by exploring common AI applications. See what these tools do with simple requests. The key is your prompts. Do not ask a single simple question. Provide context and detailed instructions. Use step-by-step prompts. Instead of write an email, act as a friendly project manager. Write a short email to my team. Goal: remind them about the project deadline this Friday. Keep the tone encouraging. See the difference? You gave the AI a role, a task, a goal, and a tone. Ask the AI to explain its reasoning. Ask for examples. Ask it to make the output longer, shorter, or simpler. Here is your drill. Prompt tuning. 10 to 20 minutes. Pick a simple task. Example: write a thank you note. Example: summarize a short article. Write your first prompt. Review. Check tone, length, and detail. Edit to be more specific. Run again and compare. Repeat 3 or 4 times. Goal: clear improvement and a saved prompt. A teacher specifies grade, topic, timing, and activities, then asks for a quiz and saves hours each week. Learning concepts and practicing prompts are essential, but the real learning happens when you apply your skills to a complete task. This brings us to the third skill group: project-based work. Start small. A mini project, 1 to 3 hours, from idea to deliverable. Make it relevant to your work or life. Sales example: analyze customer feedback and generate a 1-page summary of common themes. Student example: brainstorm and outline your next research paper. Cooking example: create a custom 7-day meal plan from ingredients you have. Choose one small task, one primary AI tool, and produce a finished product. Examples: a report, a script, a 3-slide presentation, or a simple poster design. Freelance designer: use an image generator to create 3 logo concepts for a fictional coffee shop. Practice prompts, control style, color, imagery. Bring concepts into design software to refine. Add your professional touch. Integrate AI into your workflow. Speed up ideation and take on more client work each month. While you do not need to be a programmer to use AI, having some basic data and code skills can significantly boost your abilities. This skill group is for users comfortable with the basics who want to go a little deeper. The good news: you can start small. You do not need a complex coding bootcamp. Focus on skills that directly help you work with AI. Get better with spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Learn formulas, pivot tables, and charts. This helps you organize data you feed into an AI or analyze the output it gives you. For the adventurous, basics of Python can open new possibilities. It is beginner-friendly and popular for AI and data science. Low-code, No-code platforms let you build simple AI-powered workflows with little to no programming. Here is a practical drill. Data cleaning basics. This should take 20 to 40 minutes. Find a small messy data set. Contacts, sales with missing values, or your personal expenses. Clean it up. Fix spelling and formatting, remove duplicates, and use built-in AI suggestions to spot patterns. The goal is clean, structured data, the first step to meaningful analysis for humans or AI. A store owner cleans a 5,000 customer list, fixes caps, fills area codes, removes duplicates, assisted by an AI plugin. Result: fewer email bounces, more accurate ads, better communication, higher sales, and a more efficient business. As you become more skilled in using AI, it is vital to develop a strong sense of responsibility. AI is powerful, but not infallible. It can make mistakes and reflect biases from its training data. If used carelessly, it can cause harm. Always approach AI with a critical eye. Never blindly trust it. Your judgment, critical thinking, and ethics are more valuable than ever. If an AI gives you facts or figures, double-check them using trusted sources. Many tools include citations. Click through and verify. Be mindful of bias. If results lack diversity, refine your prompt for inclusive representation. Human review ensures fairness and accuracy. Drill: the quick fact check. Ask AI for 5 facts. Then verify 2 using reliable sources. Correct errors. Build the habit. Example: in hiring, use AI as a first-pass organizer, not the final decision-maker. Review diverse candidates and make an equitable choice. You have learned the core skill groups: foundational knowledge, tool practice, project work, all guided by ethics. Now put it into action. This final section gives you a 7-day plan. Each day is short and focused. Day 1. Basics plus a 5-minute chatbot conversation. Day 2. Prompt tuning for 20 minutes. Day 3. Data cleaning for 30 minutes. Day 4. Outline your mini project and brainstorm with AI. Day 5. Perform the quick fact check. Day 6. Work on your project using improved prompts. Day 7. Review, refine, and save your best prompts to a library. Short, consistent sessions beat long, rare ones. Choose your first drill and start your 1-week plan today.